Our NPC data works, but it's easy to break. Let's make it harder to mess up. Today, we'll refactor our NPC and player data into a structure that's safer and easier to work with. So, let's go. When using list NPC data container, you have to remember that index 0 is the name, 1 is the x coordinate, and 2 is the y coordinate, and so on. And if you mix indices while drawing an NPC, it may appear somewhere else or will be broken at all. It would be amazing if instead of NPC 0 we could say NPC X, isn't it? Luckily, Python gives us a tool for this, another built-in data type, dictionary. Dictionary is a collection where each value has a name, called key. Instead of assessing data by position, we assess it by meaning. Remember how we declare a list using square brackets. Dicts are similar, but you declare dicts with the curly brackets. And you can access data same as for the list, but instead of using index, you use the key. And here is our new NPC. Cool. Now you don't have to remember indices. You can type the names that mean something to you and other programmers. Let's rewrite our NPC code using dicts. Now, instead of list of lists, we will have list of dicts. Much better now. Now we can easily change an NPC color, for example, just by adding another key in another NPC dict. You can add any data associated with NPC to its dictionary and work with it later, like health, inventory, and so on. You can update this data anytime you want as game progresses, since dictionaries are mutable data types. You can even add or remove case-like elements in the list. Why don't we refactor our player too? Instead of having many variables with different scopes, now we can pack everything into single dict. By the way, we can now get rid of this annoying global statement. Since we don't change the variable itself, we change the dict member value. Also, we don't need these player variables anymore. In the next video, we will finish the beginning phase by introducing functions and cleaning up the code. That's it for now. If you like this video, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Ciao!